In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Google Workspace account and quickly fix common sign-in errors. The first thing you need to do is go to the Google Workspace homepage. You can type Google Workspace into your search bar or go directly to the official site. Once you're on the page, look for the Admin Console link. You'll usually find it near the top or the middle of the homepage. Click on it to continue. Now, enter your login details, your Google Workspace email and password. Make sure you're using the correct email that has admin access. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're signing in with the right one. After typing your credentials, click the Sign In button. This will confirm your details and give you access to your account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.